Hello guys, for today I'd like to highlight a Tracup shortcut slash commands. Just release the ability to apply a task template. It's directly from the slash command, making this useful shortcut even better. So you can access the command from many different places, and Tracup will give you different options depending upon what's applicable. Now I'm going to start with showing you how to apply a task template. So now here you will see these task menu. So just click it and you will see here is a description or type slash for commands. Let's do this. Tap in slash, then you will see the text format, list, media, and external content, a lot of stuffs. So use whatever you want. It's very convenient, right? So just in Tracup, you will use whatever you want. The all the other external contents you can use. So this is one way to turn it up. I will show you another way. And here you will see the new task. Double click it. Now we got into the page, got in the new task. And also the same here, description or type slash for commands. Let's tap slash. Okay, now here you will see a lot of like the same thing as the last one. And I will show you how to use it. Okay, such as I will list YouTube, for example. Okay, so now when you get into this page, so you got log into the youtube.com and you will see here a lot of videos, right? Just click one of videos you want to watch. So for example, Boston and Celtics versus Golden State Warriors. Click this one and you will see here, right? You will see the link and just copy this link and paste to there. It's already down, right? YouTube. Okay, now click to set YouTube video share link. I already have a link here. I will paste it. Then you click it right, confirm. And you will see the video is right here for you to watch. It's very cool, right? So if you have any questions or some other problems, you can leave comments below. I will see, or just let me know. Just email me, please. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.